Prosecutors wasted no time taking the jury and the world inside the crime scene with first-hand accounts from those who watched the struggle to save and revive a dying Michael Jackson while his children wailed in the hallway. Again, we remind you, some of these images are graphic. It's 12:13 p.m., the day of Michael Jackson's death. The King of Pop's bedroom littered with oxygen tanks, an IV stand, and assorted prescription bottles. In this bedroom, Dr. Conrad Murray is in the middle of a titanic struggle to bring to life his one and only patient, and he needs help. He leaves that 4-second message on the voicemail of Jackson's personal assistant. 2 minutes later, the assistant, Michael Amir Williams, calls back, finding Murray in a panic.
He told me to get here right away, and then when I asked what's going on, he asked for me to get someone up there.
Williams' first call is to the chief of Jackson's private security, Fahim Muhammad, who rushes to the scene.
And I saw Dr. Murray near his side. I asked him, how's it looking, or how's it going? And he said it's not looking good. And then I proceeded to go and look at Mr. Jackson.
And what did you observe about his face at that time?
That his eyes were open and that his mouth was slightly open.
Did he appear to be dead?
Yes.
And then, to his horror, he hears something in the hallway, whimpering. Michael Jackson's children, Paris and Prince.
Paris was on the ground, balled up, crying, and Prince was he was standing there, and he was he just had a real shock, just slowly crying type of look on his face.
Jackson is loaded on a gurney for the trip downstairs to the ambulance as his friend and personal assistant arrives.
It was real frantic.
Williams takes charge of the children, and they follow the ambulance to UCLA Medical Center, where Jackson is officially pronounced dead. Dr. Murray can be seen pacing on hospital surveillance cameras. At one point, Williams says Dr. Murray asks for a ride back to the mansion. The assistant thought it odd, even suspicious.
He said that there's some cream in Michael's room, or house, room, that he wouldn't want the world to know about.
Today, in the courtroom, another bodyguard is expected to testify that Dr. Murray asked him to destroy evidence. And one final note about from the family of Michael Jackson. They now say that while prosecutors have agreed not to call Prince, the defense now believes they will call him, and we could see Prince testify in court.